guys, welcome to my restroom. It's a new setting because today I decided I wanted to do the latest trend, which is tie-dye bleaching a sweatsuit. Today is the perfect day. I received some FanJoy merch that I would like to recreate into my own. There will be a picture to the side showing what I am going for. So let's get started. I got this sweater and it is the Key and Lolly merch line. Leather. I got it oversized just because I like the big fit, loose and baggy. I think it'll be perfect. See what size did I get? It's a large, just what I needed. So I got my necessities. I got some Clorox bleach. I went to Walmart. I just got like a little squeeze bottle, like the travel size bottles. I don't know how this is gonna work. And I also have a spray bottle just in case. And where did I put my rubber bands? Up here, right here. My lovely husband went and got me because I needed some. So they kind of are like the thicker rubber bands. So it leaves like that ruffle whenever you tighten it. And I've had these sweatpants for a minute. They are the Bobby Mares line and FanJoy merch. They have a little cute X smiley face. Just some black sweatpants, nothing too crazy. I figured why not just bleach both FanJoy items just because I want to have the same consistency whenever I wear them together as a sweatsuit, a bleached tie-dye sweatsuit. So let's get started. I have no clue what the heck I'm gonna do first, but join me along for the ride. I'm gonna zoom down here in my tub so you can see what all I'm doing. All right, kind of a visual, I hope. Good enough for you guys. I'm gonna lay the sweatshirt down. I'm gonna start with the sleeve. I think I'm just gonna tie a rubber band. I'm just gonna take out a couple, tie it around armpit area. Okay, so there's a free sleeve now, and then I'm gonna start folding it whichever way, violin type way, like a zigzag, just folding it back and forth, like in a back and forth pattern, I suppose. And then I'm gonna tie it a rubber band around what I just folded. Put another one, I think I should. I've tie-dyed stuff before, but it was a normal tie-dye. I've never done the bleach tie-dye, so bear with me. It's gonna be different. Okay, so this is what I have so far. I'm gonna go and do that on the other side. Same way I did the first sleeve, just like so. And I wasn't sure if I was supposed to wet it before I started scrunching it up. I'm sure the same result will come through, you know, I'm hoping. It's not perfect, it doesn't have to be perfect. I just kind of folded it like a zigzag again, in and out, folding it in and outwards, just like so, and I'm tying it up. Hopefully that looks okay. Moving that. Now it's time for the middle part of the sweatshirt. I'm gonna come back down here. Hopefully you can see it. Okay. So here's where the label is. I think I'm just gonna start spinning it around. You know what? I don't think I need this trash bag yet. I'm moving that out of the way. It's really annoying me. So I'm just gonna start spinning it, I guess. I just spun it around to where I think it'll look okay. Jeez Louise, I did not prepare for this. I need a big, thick rubber band. Actually, maybe a little. Holy crap, I don't want to lose what I got going. I think that's about as good as it's gonna get. I ruffled it up. I don't know why I ruffled it up like this, but since it's my first time doing it, especially with a sweatshirt. It's easier to do it with a t-shirt. Okay, there's that. That's a sweatshirt. Now it's time for the sweatpants, and I'm just gonna start folding it this way, that way. So left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, and then left again. And I'm just gonna take a rubber band and put it together like so. And there you have it. It's like in that type of pattern. And I'm gonna go to the other leg. Just gonna tie it up. Did not take into consideration how thick these were. And honestly, I don't think I should have just worn my gloves the whole time, because now my hands are sweating profusely. Pretty sure I lost like 5 pounds in sweat. This is what it's looking like. So I have the 2 pant leg. What am I supposed to do with the middle part? You know? Like, am I supposed to like just put another rubber band across it? Or what? Should have just gone live and you guys could have told me what to do. But trying something new, my friends. I'm just gonna leave it like that. I don't think there's much else I can do at this point. Like, I'm just gonna look weird no matter what. Okay, let's get this party started and start bleaching this. Move that out of the way. Taking my little bottle, and I'm just gonna squeeze it. Let's just get to it. And there's no, I don't know, I'm just spraying it everywhere frantically, like hopefully something good comes out of it. You know, like, I'm just gonna go over and do the other side. Oh shoot, that is out. Time for the spray bottle. Maybe it'll leave like splats everywhere to look cool. Okay, so the sweatpants are already changing. I was not expecting that to already be changing in color. That's pretty cool. The sweatshirt is taking a minute, but it looks pretty cool. It's easier to just put it in the little bottle. I think I'm doing a bit too much, but there's no going back now. Do you guys see this? Oh my god, I'm scared. It's gonna look so different. I think I went a little too crazy on the pants, as you can see. Yeah, there's no going back on that. But this is a new trend, guys. I want to try it. Okay, so I'm gonna let this sit for 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back, rinse it out, and see where we're at. Yeah, I went a little crazy on the sweatpants. Oh my gosh. All right, break time. Okay friends, so it's been about 10 to 12 minutes. It is time to rinse the sweatshirt and joggers out. So far, this is what it's looking like. It's very vibrant, definitely ready to be rinsed out. Kind of nervous, guys. Okay, so these are the joggers. Yeah, I don't think these are gonna turn out great, but it's all about art. And yeah, so I'm just going to leave the ties in there and rinse it out like that, the way it is now. So let's get just finished rinsing the sweatpants, the joggers, whatever you call them, and the sweatshirt out. As stressful as this was, I am really pleased with the outcome of what it's looking like. I'm going to throw them into the washer, let them dry, try it on, and let you see what it looks like. It's gonna look really great. I'll be back whenever it's all done and show you the outcome. But if you're curious as to see what it looks like now, I will give you a little sneak peek. This, I'm like sitting on tub. This is what the sweatshirt looks like. It's not terrible. I like it. The only problem is the back didn't get as much. I could see where the bleach was sprayed, but it didn't get on the back. The sleeves definitely, yeah, but the back needs a little bit more loving. It's pretty cool still. The joggers, I like that the bleach didn't ruin any prints. So yeah, everything else is bleached. Looks pretty cute. It's time to throw it in the wash and I will show you what it looks like on. So I'm back with the results. I'm super excited to show you how this turned out. I absolutely love this. So this is a sweatshirt. Again, I got it from Fanjoy Merch off of Key and Lolly's line. Turned out super great. Cue the picture right here as to how his sweatshirt looked whenever he bleached his, or whoever did his. But on the back, I took it upon myself and just winged it. I just squirted bleach on there, and this is the outcome. I'm super pleased. These are the bottoms. Super cute. Love the way they turned out. The back, definitely, you can tell this side got most of it. Not sure if I should have just left it on there longer, but it's fine. You never know what you're gonna get whenever you do these type of projects. Not everyone's is gonna turn out the same, and that is what makes it unique. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment of what you thought. I would greatly appreciate it. Until then, I will see you next time. Bye!